Welcome to Harvey's Kitchen. We're going to make spice bomb chicken. Hi everyone, I'm going to make spice bomb chicken. I made it all by myself. So here's what's in it. First we have lemon zest. Then we have fennel. Then we have chili powder. And then we have paprika. Then we have cumin and coriander. Then we have salt is right here and pepper is right here. Salt and pepper. Then we have coconut oil. And then last of all is chicken breast, chopped into little pieces. Now let's put them all together and see what happens. I know it doesn't really look good, but maybe to you it looked good, but to most people it looks awful. But it's actually so good. So once it's evenly coated, that means it's both sides of the chicken are even, all of the pieces. So we're going to use coconut oil for the pan, everybody. Coconut oil adds some texture and flavor to the chicken, and it adds some really goodness. When it gets to the half of the pan, you should stop there. You need a lot of oil here. It gives it a good texture and flavor, like I said. So you need like half of the pan with the coconut oil. If it's like this much away, from the half, that's okay. Now we're stirring it. This is the spice bomb chicken, how it's supposed to look. And I'm going to dish it onto the rice. And the spice bomb chicken goes good with white rice, black rice, and brown rice. Some herbs on there, cilantro. And then, after this, let's try it. Okay, let's try this. Hot. Yum.